Fine, let us start solving 22nd problem. Fine, yeah, the sum of two numbers is 11,009. If one of them is 9,999, the other number is, you just subtract this and this, you will get the answer. That is, the answer is going to be 11009. You need to subtract that, that is 9999, right? 9 minus 9 is 0. So 10 minus 0 minus 9 is not possible, to take a carry. 9 minus 10 minus 9 is 1, right? 9 minus 9 is 0 and 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer is 1010. This is the answer. But what you can do, what they have given, you think in this way, they have given there are two numbers, so x plus y, the sum of two numbers is 11009. Now what they have given, one number, one of them is 9,999. Let us consider y. So x plus 9999 is equal to 11009. So therefore x is equal to 11009 minus 9999. So you are going to get the same answer here. So the answer here is A.